Oh my god, you just lit me through the wall. Don't get your tip that.
Oh yeah, you're gonna get lit up. Yes,
Don't do
sir.
that.
They're gonna know. That was a good shot though. He hit him fucking straight up. Oh, oh, oh. Got him. Oh, you're on fire.
Shot him first.
Let's see what's good. He jumps all over the building. Get around. Right there. Bop, bop. Get up on there. Oh, got him. Good job. Savage. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. And the map is scrambled as fuck. Get some ammo there. Select this one right in front of you. That's to your left. Throw a grenade. There you go. Oh, someone just got murked. Is that your homie? Oh!
Are you fucking kidding me, dude? I lit that guy fucking.
That was some bullshit. That's why I stopped playing Call of Duty. That shit pissed me off. Haven't played since Modern Warfare 2. Real shit. Get him on there. Look down. What the fuck? No drones? Okay. Alright, now we'll go around here. Let's see. Motherfucker come right around that corner just like he does every time. Motherfucking helicopter's coming. Watch out.
Oh shit.
Right above you. Boom.
I came into the game so late.
How high up on the list did you get?
So
No, you're still terrible.
Yeah, I want to get another game with it.